Hi, I'm Cliff with the Oldfather Group. Today we're at 821 West Locust Street in Seaford, Delaware. Let's go take a look. Here we've got a formal dining room, perfect for hosting, with a side pantry that has a built-in wine rack. 2021 has been the year of the home office, and this house will not let you down. We've got a proper study right here on the first floor that can be used as a home office or a flex space. Come on this way, I want to show you the family room. Right this way we have yet another dining space. It can be used informally or formally. And I want to show you this kitchen, which is a home chef's dream. So here in the spacious kitchen, we've got a large counter space and a 36-inch Kenmore Pro gas cooktop. Off the garage here, we have a first floor laundry room, a huge walk-in pantry, and a powder room for your guests. We have a first floor owner's suite that has access to the back porch, a large bay window that provides lots of natural light, 2 spacious walk-in closets, and an ensuite bath. From the living room, we have 2 entrances to this airy, screened-in porch that can be enjoyed by friends and family 9 months out of the year. Here on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a second floor living area, a balcony, and a bonus room tucked away. I'll show you that in a second. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a space that was just for you, that only you knew about? Check this out. Through the bedroom closet, we have a bonus space above the master bedroom. For more information about this property and other properties, call, text, or email me, or visit us at theoldfathergroup.com.